What's up, my people? So basically, if you're yet to join the ready-made class, a link is going to be in the description box of this video. Go ahead and click the link and join the WhatsApp group. And I'll also pin a link in the first post under this video. So the first pin post is going to be a link to the class. That will be the WhatsApp group. So we are still working on the videos. You can see this is the round neck that we use as the tutorial for the class itself. You can see what the round neck look like. This is a boutique worthy round neck. As you guys already know that I just opened a new boutique and I need to stock it up, so I need to produce masterpiece for the class, for the boutique, for my store. So basically I have to teach you guys the process as well. You can see what I have here. It's a standard boutique worthy round neck. So in the class we are going to be learning this, which is the round neck. You can see, and you don't need a fancy machine. You're using your typical industrial sewing machine. Even if you're using a pedaled machine, the manual one, you can still get exactly the same result. So calm down, chill, you will get it basically. So we're going to learn round neck, how to make a round neck. We're going to learn how to make armless. We're going to learn how to make joggers. You're going to learn how to make hoodie. You're going to learn how to make a jacket. Are you getting? So these are the things you're going to learn in the class, step by step. So go ahead, click the link and join the group, and I will see you there.